malfunction,
sự trục trặc, lỗi vận hành, danh từ, gặp trục trặc, hoạt động sai lệch, động từ.
If a hardware sensor begins to malfunction, the Home Assistant gateway must fall back to a safe state to prevent system lockup.
begin to malfunction, system malfunction, pillar,
Cột trụ, trụ cột, nghĩa bóng, nguyên tắc cốt lõi.
Modular design is a key pillar of modern multi-agent architecture, enabling teams to scale individual nodes independently.
key pillar, fundamental pillar, disparate,
Khác biệt hoàn toàn, không liên quan đến nhau.
The engineers had a hard time integrating data from 3 disparate legacy systems into the new cloud database.
disparate systems, disparate data sources, elasticity,
Tính đàn hồi, độ co giãn.
Cloud computing offers great elasticity, allowing the system to automatically scale resources up or down based on real-time traffic.
cloud elasticity, offer elasticity, tune,
Điều chỉnh, tinh chỉnh.
The database administrator spent the whole afternoon trying to tune the SQL queries for better performance.
tune the queries, tune a system, tune for performance, fine tune,
Tinh chỉnh, điều chỉnh chuẩn xác, huấn luyện chuyên sâu, AI.
The development team decided to fine-tune the large language model using their own internal documents to improve its response accuracy.
fine tune a model, fine tune performance, tuning,
Sự điều chỉnh, quá trình tinh chỉnh.
Performance tuning of the database helped reduce the API latency by more than 50%.
performance tuning, database tuning, dramatically,
Đột ngột và đáng kể, một cách mạnh mẽ, sâu sắc.
Optimizing our EF core connection pooling dramatically reduced API latency during peak traffic hours.
reduce dramatically, change dramatically, tremendous,
To lớn, khổng lồ, cực kỳ tốt.
Migrating the legacy Azure database to Google Cloud SQL brought a tremendous improvement in overall query execution speed.
tremendous improvement, tremendous effort, burden,
Gánh nặng, đè nặng, làm cho gánh vác vất vả.
Automating tasks via GitHub Actions helps reduce the operational burden on backend engineers.
reduce the burden, heavy burden, operational burden, recognition,
Sự nhận dạng, sự công nhận.
Implementing an AI agent system with image recognition capabilities allows the application to automatically classify product layouts.
image recognition, gain recognition, pattern recognition, recognize,
Nhận ra, nhận dạng, công nhận.
The authentication proxy must recognize the internal signature before allowing any custom middleware to handle the payload.
Recognize a pattern. Recognize the signature. Widely recognized. Accidental.
Tình cờ, ngẫu nhiên, ngoài ý muốn.
We need to set up strict IAM roles to prevent any accidental deletion of critical cloud assets.
Accidental deletion. Accidental damage. Purely accidental. Accidentally.
Vô tình, tình cờ, ngẫu nhiên, không hề có chủ đích trước.
An engineer accidentally dropped the wrong production database table while troubleshooting a live connection pooling issue.
Accidentally delete. Accidentally drop. Whereas.
Trong khi đó, ngược lại, dùng để so sánh, đối chiếu hai sự thật đối lập nhau.
SQL Server relies heavily on rigid schema definitions, whereas PostgreSQL offers a lot more flexibility with its native John data type.
Whereas X, Y. Imperative.
Cấp bách, bắt buộc, cốt lõi, mệnh lệnh, tường minh.
When building multi-agent workflows, it is imperative to implement precise state checks to keep agents from getting stuck in infinite loops.
Imperative to. Absolutely imperative. Imperative programming. Ambiguous.
Mơ hồ.
An ambiguous prompt structure can cause the multi-agent system to trigger the wrong node during execution.
Ambiguous instructions. Remain ambiguous. Surrogate.
Vật thay thế, người đại diện, cơ sở dữ liệu, khóa thay thế, khóa giả lập.
Using an auto-incrementing integer as a surrogate key in PostgreSQL often improves index performance compared to a natural key like a social security number.
Surrogate key. Act as a surrogate. Resilience.
Khả năng phục hồi, tính bền bỉ.
The cloud system has great resilience against crashes.
Great resilience. Build resilience. Resilient.
Bền bỉ, kiên cường, có khả năng phục hồi nhanh.
Our backend API is resilient to sudden traffic spikes.
Resilient to. Highly resilient. Implicit.
Ngầm, ngầm định, ẩn.
Python uses implicit type conversion when you add an integer to a float.
Implicit conversion. Implicit trust. Adequate.
Đầy đủ, thỏa đáng, đáp ứng được yêu cầu.
Make sure the system has adequate memory allocation before spinning up a new container.
Adequate memory. Adequate resources. Cascade.
Lan truyền.
If you delete a parent record in PostgreSQL, a cascade delete will automatically wipe out all linked foreign key rows.
Cascade delete. Cascade effect. likelihood,
khả năng xảy ra, xác suất, độ khả thi.
Adding a retry policy with exponential backoff reduces the likelihood of request timeouts.
reduce the likelihood, increase the likelihood. Offload,
Giảm tải, đẩy tải công việc hoặc dữ liệu sang hệ thống khác.
We can offload heavy reporting queries from Cloud SQL to a read replica to keep the master database fast.
offload tasks, offload to,